Friend, welcome back to learn Kotlin in Android Studio. This is Kotlin012. In the last video, we demonstrate, right, for a class like that game, we can create different instances, right, multiple differences from the same class. But what if our class like ChessGame is special because we only need, right, ChessGame, an instance of that will maintain the state of our single game, right? In this app, we maintain a single chess game, so it doesn't make sense to create more than one instance of this class. It will be very confusing, and it's very hard to synchronize the states of different instances. So in this case, we only create a single, in the whole app, we only want to create a single instance of this class. So before, the programmers had to maintain this singleton by themselves. But with Kotlin, there's a better solution, right? If we want to make this one singleton, we can use another data type object. So let's make the change object. Okay, so now object, it means when the first time we use anything of this object, and Kotlin will create a singleton for us, a single instance of this class for us. So we don't need to do that, and we can just use the object name, capitalize the C, chess game. Okay, so we need to fix that. That's coming out, this one. Okay, and now here there's no such thing, right? But we can use that. Everything will be fine. Now let's test it. So run this. Right? Everything works as before. So we can remove that. That's the singleton, right? Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.